when.
So it's like Quebec here, except the roads might be a bit slightly better.
Well, much better in Quebec because we complain about potholes in Montreal, but you don't know potholes till you've been here in the rainy season. Like potholes
You
here.
don't even see them in the rain.
Potholes here is you might lose your car inside. It's supposed to be a fancy hotel. It's sort of fancy, but I find their food is mediocre. It's a bit pretentious. But beautiful view.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, Land Rover 190.
This is the book in the start. This is where I went paddle the other day. We were talking about the ice bath.
Yeah.
We did it on the beach.
Wow. Okay, we gotta come stay here. How much does it stay here?
Yeah, I don't know. Actually, I never stayed here. I don't know.
That's incredible. With the view.
And the Reserva Biologica here. There's a This is where we did our paddle boarding. We went down this river, then we came back to the beach over this down there.
I think we need to come stay here.
Yeah, it's an experience.
Look at that. Wow.
Eric, with those guys.
I know. I've been loving all the birds, man.
Yeah. Eric,
Dad, you need to come.
He attracts eagles and hawks all the time.
Oh, incredible, Dad. You got to come. So? Hey.
And a few words.
Wow.
Tranquilo.
Ah, beautiful bay. How shallow is it all the way out there? Does it stay shallow all the way out?
No.
No, huh?
It goes out of ways.
Are there lots of random rocks or reef that you would like not maybe see?
Over on each end.
Yeah.
But not random. It's pretty sandy. It's pretty nice. It's a really friendly swimming beach. And what I like about it, see, like Samara, you've got a whole lot of restaurants right on the beach. It's like a different atmosphere.
Yeah.
We were just saying that the other day when we went to the beach, the main beach in Samara, in
Sarah, Guiones.
Yeah, so we were saying that, one vibe is you're walking down the beach and all the people in wheelchairs
Wow, really incredible.
Exactly, yeah.
So they have about 1.5 acres, and in the 1.5 there's a right of path.
Yeah, that they allow them.
We are high in the mountains. The alarm systems are pretty efficient here, eh?
What's that?
Those alarm systems are pretty efficient, aka the dogs.
So you see on one side.
It's you know which model of alarm system it is? It's the K9 model.
Oh wow, look at the view.
And look at the view you have on this side. So this is where they'd build their two houses. Build one over there, one over here. They're both friends, so they would live beside each other. And they're going to have a pool cantilevered into the side of the hill here.
Infinity pool.
Yeah, infinity pool cantilevered here.
So we're here at La Luna. It's an awesome little spot. Pizza on the beach. Check it out. Big table. Magic. A little spot for 4 chilling. Beautiful. Try to get this spot. Yeah, we're gonna try to get this spot right here. Let me ask for the waitress. See if we can get us a spot for 4.
Okay, you want to see? I'm learning from you guys.
Hold on,
Are you doing something?
I'm coming. I'll be back. So this is the bay here in La Luna. Incredible little spot. Be great to film some drones, maybe do a few shots here. But as you can see, it's pretty epic. Very quiet, very wild. A lot of locals here. Oh, there's that funny little spot. Very incredible though. Someone's shoe, you know, another shoe. Wild, wild Costa Rica, man. Look at that. Some nice rocks here. Beautiful. Definitely have to come do a little rip here with the drones. That's something else, man. Wow. Really, really beautiful spot. What is, we're no trespassing, bro. The horse definitely trespassed, but this is at the end of the bay, probably. This is just divine.
If I was here and I tell you on my little land by the beach, I'd have a fire going every freaking night. Bring your own marshmallows, I supply the fire.
Look at this. Yeah. Check this out. This is the end of the beach at Samara. Look at this down here, though, to develop. Up on the, look at the mountain here on the corner, too. All there. Okay, so that's the hotel I was talking about. That the Italian guy owns. But, like, this is a whole other field down here. Like, wow.
Careful. So, this is what he was telling me, Curly. I think it's over here.
It's the next bay.
Is it
It's
the
next
other
bay.
side?
Yeah, right over. Look at all the birds diving. Look at all the birds. They're all diving.
Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? Lunch, supper time.
Wow. Look at them. Look at them. They're all diving at the same time. Look at them. Wow. Okay, so we are at the end of Samara Beach. So we're staying over there. And this is this secret hideaway spot, hotel. And we've got birds diving here. Incredible. They're just hitting the fish from like 30, 40 feet up and diving. You see them there? Wow. Boom, boom, boom. This is just full of fish. Wow. Yeah, it's incredible. I would love to have my goggles on and go underwater or go.
I have in the car. You really want to have.
I would love to get my drone out here, man, and film this with my drone. It would be insane. Should I send it? Should I send it? Yeah. Okay, so we're just at the end of this beach, and it's incredible. And there's all the pelicans are diving. And now I see some turkey vultures. These guys are fucking massive. Look at these guys. Not sure what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna approach them. You wanna hold this out the window with your little tippy? You have to get your hands out of the way though. So yeah, like that. Yeah. Hold it there. Yeah, exactly. Like, this place is incredible. Look at this sunset here. Wow. So we're at this little restaurant called Mamagee. Beautiful little bistro on the side of the road in Samara. Check these guys out. Someone's got a drone out. Oh shit. Someone's got a drone. Look at this place here. So incredibly beautiful.
This is Carrillo, right?
Carrillo, yeah. Wow. So we're at Darryls House, and Stuart's getting an adjustment, but check out the view. There's a pool down here. Darryl's workstation. Darryl's room, yoga mat, chilling.
stiff.
Yeah. So, the standing thing I was telling you about, that's
Rotate my hips in.
yeah, like what you think of is rotating your
Super nice. This is why you should live in Costa Rica and build a house. The lifestyle here is just really on another level. I mean, love this open air. It's everything you need. It's like luxury, but simplified. So we're here a little like, it's called Gabriels, and there's a bunch of cool little spots here. I ran into some friends from Montreal randomly, Dan and Pat. And yeah, check this place out, garlic. It's pretty hot. This is what I ordered. I ordered carbonara with chicken and salad. A little burger joint here. Definitely very cool. Little play gym. You can go upstairs here. Check the lineup. Check. That's beauty. Alright, so we've arrived in Playa Flamingo. We got this little spot in the shade. Got a nice place up in Mar Vista, and this is a Flamingo Beach in front of the our favorite Margaritaville. So you can see, like, it's a really short break, but it's a big fucking wave. Check it out. It's very deceiving. A lot of undertow here. Looks like most of the places are up in the cliffs here, and same thing over here. It's a little too Americanized for me here. Coming? There you go. There's a big one. So we made it to Playa Hermosa. No, sorry, we made it to Tamarindo. Pretty nice spot, but pretty rocky beach here. I don't know if I'd like to swim here. And we'll see. We'll see. It looks pretty chill. So far, very touristy, very beachy. But, you know, we'll give it a chance. Alright, signing off.
So much.
Alright, so once again, we're on another beach, another day in paradise. We are at Breeze Mar, because we are, obviously you can see that we're on the beach.
Brisa.
Brisa.
Brisa Mar.
And it's kind of like pretty pimp out here, actually.